Hello everyone, this is Dr. Technician, helping you go further and faster in motion graphics. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this cinematic blur text animation step by step. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more motion graphics tutorials like this. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all, create a new composition and name it Blurry Text Animation, or whatever you prefer. Keep the rest of the settings the same as usual and set the duration to 5 seconds. Next, select the text tool and type your text. For this tutorial, I'm using the Montserrat font with a size of 200 pixels and set the tracking to 200. Then, open the paragraph panel and make sure the text is set to center text. After that, open the Align panel and align the text to the center both horizontally and vertically. Perfect! Alright, now let's start the animation. First, expand the text layer. Then click on Animate and add Blur. As you can see, the blur effect is added as Animator 1. Next, click Add, go to Property, and select Scale. Change the scale value to 150. Again, click Add, go to Property, and add Opacity. Before changing the opacity, increase the blur value to 100 so the text becomes nicely blurred. Finally, set the opacity value to 0. Next, expand Range Selector 1. Here you'll see the Start, End, and Offset options. First, make sure your time indicator is at the beginning of the timeline. Add a keyframe to the Offset property. Then set the value to -100%. Now move the time indicator forward to 2 seconds and change the offset value to 100%. This will create the main animation. After that, expand the Advanced. Locate Shape and change it to Ramp Up. Set Ease High to 0% and Ease Low to 50%. Then enable Randomize Order. Perfect. Now preview the animation to see the result. Now, scroll all the way up and locate the text layer. Click anywhere outside the layer so nothing is selected. Then click Animate again, and this time choose Tracking. This will create Animator 2 separately. Next, move the time indicator to the beginning of the timeline. Click the stopwatch icon next to Tracking Amount to create a keyframe, and make sure the value is set to 0. Then move the time indicator forward to 3 seconds and change the tracking amount to 25. Now preview the animation to see the result. Perfect. These are the complete process for creating this kind of text animation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, this is Dr. Technician. Keep crushing it, and we'll talk to you soon.